Okay, I have on display on the left side of the screen what I call the hidden structures diagram. Knowing even a small portion of this diagram, you can do amazing mathematical card magic that will make you look like a wizard. So the three structures that we're going to focus on today are the three in the middle. The one that says 2C, that's for 2 cycles, mirrored, M for mirrored, and then something called an AMP. Okay, those are the three that we will focus on. Now I've drawn a simplified version of this diagram so that we can focus on just those 3 structure types. And these are the core structure types in all that I do on this channel, okay? So the over 500 videos I have created thus far, a vast majority of them will involve either a 2-cycle structure, a mirrored structure, or an AMP structure, okay? So learning just these 3 will quite honestly give you a lifetime of fun, interesting, and mind-blowing card effects that you can play with, design your own, and perform them for family and friends. The particulars of the 3 structure types are found below at the bottom of the screen. Okay, so here is a 2-cycle structure. I have it listed. So it's something of the form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the case of 12 cards, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there is a repeating pattern that repeats twice. For a mirrored structure, you can see probably right away why we would call this mirrored. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you can think of this center line right here as kind of the reflection line for the left and right hand pattern of the cards. And the last one's called an AMP. Now, AMP stands for adjacent mirrored pairs. And so you can probably see what's happening with this particular structure. What's happening here that's different is we're looking at a 1-1 followed by a 2-2, 3-3, 4-4, 5-5, 6-6. Okay? So the thing to realize is we're viewing the ones as related, as equivalent, as a pair of interests that we would like to reveal. And the 2s as well, and the 3s up to the 6s. So there are 3 different configurations that will be of value to us moving forward. Now, I should mention also over here at the top, I'll click on it. Here is a list of shuffles that will either preserve a particular packet structure or convert it from one to another. Okay, so let's go ahead and kind of show you the basics of what I just did. So I'll return to our simplified diagram. Okay, so what I did was, so think about how I started. I started with a shuffled deck of cards, and you can as well. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just mix it a couple of times. We'll deal out 12 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, very good. 12 random cards. You can mix those as much as you would like or have the spectator mix them. Okay. Now, it is important for you as the performer to see the packet of cards, at least briefly. Okay. Now, the way you sell this is you say, well, I want you, the spectator, to see how well mixed these cards are. Okay, so we're going to put these out and have them just quickly look at them. Okay, now for the video today, we are going to focus on starting packets that are AMP packets. So down at the very bottom there, We're focused on AMP structures. Well, what's an AMP structure? Well, as you can tell, what you're doing, this is the top card of the packet all the way to the bottom. So what we're doing is we're taking the cards in pairs. And so what I secretly did, it just takes a second to do it. I'm going to jog these so that you can kind of see the pairs. I secretly counted how many matching color pairs do we have, starting from the top. Well, that's a no match, no match, no match. Okay, we have one in the red. If you want to remember that they're hearts, that will make the reveal even more powerful. Okay, a match there. Oh, another match right here. That's pretty darn amazing, by the way. So we get another matching pair of hearts. Okay, that is great. And then a no match in color. Okay, so we're really only focused on color. Now, I do want to point out something, and try this for yourself. If you choose 12 cards, you can mix that packet as much as you like, and then just randomly put out 12 cards and lay them out. And you will be surprised by the amount of structure and coincidences with, like right here, we have 4 hearts in a row. Whoa, how does that happen? Well, it does. The idea of randomness is what they call clumpy. Okay, so a lot of people think a random packet is like red, black, red, black, red, black all the way through. That's like the opposite of random. Okay, so in a truly random packet of cards, you expect to see strings. Now we do see like black, red, red, black, red, black, but it will happen by chance alone that you'll get strings of blacks or strings of red or strings of hearts, or we perhaps could have gotten 3 clubs down here. I mean, that can happen at random. It truly, truly can. And so try it for yourself. Well, how does that help you? It helps you because you will be able to find interesting relationships among the cards that you can reveal at the end. Okay?